how to remove second Gmail account from mobile. Now by this, what I'm assuming is that if you have added multiple accounts to your Gmail app, well, multiple accounts are not added to your Gmail app. Multiple accounts are added to your Android phone. So if you want to remove them from the Gmail app, you have to remove one of these Google accounts from your device itself. So once you open the Gmail app on your phone, tap on the profile photo from the top right, then go to the option called manage accounts on this device. So depending upon which Gmail account you want to remove or log out of, this will also get removed from your phone, by the way. So just select that particular Gmail account, then you can simply tap on the remove account button there, and once done, you can also tap on remove account from the bottom. The Gmail will get removed from your phone, and as a result will also get removed from the Gmail app. And this way you'll be able to basically remove your second Gmail account from mobile. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.